Did you know it only takes 15 seconds for a criminal to install a credit card skimmer on a fuel dispenser? Oftentimes, store owners don't find out until it's too late and the damage is already done. The criminals have fraudulent charges on their credit card statements, and they're the ones reporting it to law enforcement. First of all, if you're a customer, don't ever run your debit card as a debit card at the pump. Run it as credit, or use Apple Pay or something similar where possible if you must pay at the pump. Secondly, store owners, stop waiting until it's too late and the damage is already done. Imagine if you could catch the criminal in action and prevent any harm falling upon your customers. Imagine if you could know the exact second that a breach has occurred, take that timestamp to find a video snippet that you could share with law enforcement to get these guys off the streets. Imagine if you or your employees knew the exact moment that there was an unauthorized breach and you had the ability to kill power to the dispenser until you had an opportunity to investigate further. Save your customers and your reputation. Stay 2 steps ahead of the criminals and get smart on skimming prevention.